Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Google's new audio file support in Gemini, along with language expansions in Search and Notebook LM updates, Apple's official iOS 18 release date with details on the Apple Intelligence rollout, and Amazon's Audible pilot program for AI narrator voice clones with creator controls. Google has just expanded the capabilities of its Gemini app with the addition of audio file input support. This highly anticipated feature was actually the #1 request from users according to Josh Woodward, VP of Google Labs, who shared this information in a post on X on September 8th. The new functionality allows users to upload audio files directly to Gemini for analysis and processing. There are different limits based on your subscription level. Free users can upload files up to 10 minutes in length, while AI Pro and Ultra subscribers get a significantly larger allowance of up to 3 hours. All users can include up to 10 audio files per prompt, and zip files are also supported for easier handling of multiple files. One limitation to note is that free plan users are restricted to just 5 AI prompts per day when working with audio. Google says the feature is already rolling out and should be available to all users by the end of this week. In addition to the audio file support, Google Search's AI mode is expanding its language capabilities. Previously available primarily in English, the AI-powered search experience now supports 5 additional languages: Hindi, Indonesian, Japanese, Korean, and Brazilian Portuguese. This expansion is powered by Gemini 2.5 integration and marks a significant step in making Google's AI search capabilities accessible to a much broader global audience. Google has also updated its Notebook LM tool with new report styles. Users can now generate study guides, quizzes, and blog posts in over 80 languages. This enhancement makes Notebook LM a more versatile tool for education and content creation across a wide range of languages and formats. Moving on to Apple news, the company has officially announced that iOS 18 will be released on September 16th. This announcement came during Apple's iPhone event on September 9th, where the company showcased the iPhone 16 lineup with a strong emphasis on Apple Intelligence as a core feature. Tim Cook stated during the event that the next generation of iPhone has been designed for Apple Intelligence from the ground up, highlighting how central AI capabilities are to Apple's latest devices. While iOS 18 is coming next week, it's worth noting that Apple is planning a staged rollout of its AI features. Some capabilities will be available immediately with the iOS 18 release, while others, particularly image generation tools like Genmoji and Image Playground, are expected later in the 18.2 update. Apple Intelligence encompasses a range of capabilities, including writing tools, significant Siri upgrades, and various productivity enhancements. The company continues to emphasize its privacy-focused approach to AI, with processing happening on-device when possible and through their private cloud compute system when additional resources are needed. In publishing news, Amazon's Audible is piloting an interesting new approach to AI narration. Starting this week, Audible is inviting a small group of US-based narrators to train AI replicas of their voices for audiobook production. This program is designed with creator control as a central principle. Narrators will retain approval rights over how their AI voice replicas are used. The program will expand later this year to include rights holders, such as authors and publishers. An important aspect of this initiative is transparency. Audible has committed to clearly labeling any titles that use AI voice replicas on their product pages, allowing consumers to make informed choices. The compensation structure will follow a royalty share model, and creators will have access to editing tools that allow them to control pronunciation and pacing of their AI voice replicas. In their marketplace announcement, Audible explicitly stated that they will not separately use a narrator's voice replica without their approval, emphasizing the opt-in nature of the program. This pilot builds upon Audible's previous AI narration tools, but adds the human element by creating replicas of professional narrators' voices rather than using generic AI voices. The goal appears to be finding a balance that speeds up audiobook production, while maintaining quality and preserving the role of human narrators in the process. The pilot is just beginning, so we'll be watching closely to see how narrators, authors, publishers, and listeners respond to this new approach to audiobook creation. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.